Hi, Chris Cobb for Expert Village. So you should be getting it by now. You break the scene down in the script using your color coding, either with highlighters or on the computer, and then you input that information into EP scheduling. But just so we can practice one more time, let me take you through another scene. This is scene 82. It says interior, elevator, sunset. Well, the first thing I'm going to do, just because I've been doing it throughout the script, is I'm going to make sure I call this out as the interior Space Needle elevator, just for clarity's sake on the board. Going down, watching the sun sink into Puget Sound. Well, I've gotten a little head start, and I've underlined this watching the sun sink part of the sentence in pink, just so we're aware. Bobby. I never got used to it. Okay, now we've already been introduced to Bobby before, but remember the rule is when there's a new scene number, you act like you've never seen that character before, and so you're going to go ahead and highlight that character as if this is the first time you've ever seen them. And that's just to get you in the habit of making sure that every time there's a character in a scene, even if you know who that character is, you break it out. Okay? So Bobby. I never get used to it. Hannah. I know. And then there's another character, Dee. So what do you think? Again, we have been introduced to both of those characters before, but because this is the first time we see them in this scene, we are going to highlight them anyway. Let's keep going. Hannah and Bobby jump. They forgot she was there. Bobby. Okay, we've already established he's in this scene, so I actually don't read dialogue often when I'm highlighting. I just keep moving. The elevator dings. They've hit bottom. Okay, well, we're going to highlight dings. And why are we going to highlight that? We need something for the actors to respond to. So in this case, we want to make sure that we highlight dings and we call it out so that somebody can either clap their hands, the director can say ding, something like that, okay? All right, let's keep moving. Here's the second part of the scene. As you can see, Hannah, Bobby. Hannah stops breathing, think woman, think. There's nothing to break out there. Bobby, again, we don't need to highlight him. We've already highlighted him in this scene. Hannah stumbles across her brain again. Well, the writer's being figurative. Her brain is not actually a prop. So don't highlight that. Hannah, Bobby. Okay, we've highlighted every new element in this scene. We're done. Let's put it into the breakdown sheet.